Bonjour à tous, this is Anushka Man and I welcome you all to French One Stop. This is part 5 of the French A1 A2 series and today we are going to learn numbers from 0 to 10. So let's get started. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's it for today. I want you all to practice writing and spelling and also pronouncing the numbers from 0 to 10 and I'll see you in the next video. So till then, au revoir.